Hello guys, today I've come here to my friend. Today my friend have a party here. Uh, I've come to see what he's doing here. My friend is going to underscore. Like you see, she built a big house, uh, a big one. And you know, I'm up now. I'm up in the building. Like you see, it's too beautiful and big. Like you see it. See. Hmm? I'm in the floor now. Yeah, and that's down now. Like it's too big, and that is my job. eh. That is my job. Is still I want to use to make a grade in that. Still you see it stands there. eh. Yeah, it's too big, and I want you to subscribe my channel. And first of all, I need support. I need a support. I'm doing welding, but I'm doing welding for my friend. They have machines, materials I can buy, but I don't have money to buy machine. I need a support. I want that can support me. I know you can support me, my friends. I am here now, and my name is David. Yeah, goodbye.